To turn on or turn off active apps in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click on Tab System, select Storage, and then tap Apps and Features, tap More Settings, and then tap Archive Apps, and then to turn on, tap Switch until on, or to turn off, tap Switch until off. To save storage space and internet bandwidth, apps you don't use frequently will be archived automatically. Your files and other data will be saved. The next time you use an archive app, it will connect to the internet to restore the full version if it's still available. That's it until on to turn on, or that's it until off to turn on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.